G'day and welcome to the 2015 General Mathematics HSC. I'm going to go through the whole lot. This is question 1. What is 1,560,200 kilometres written in scientific notation corrected to significant figures? Pretty straightforward. Scientific notation. Just grab the first number that's not a 0. In this case, it's 1. Put down a decimal point. Put down the rest of the numbers. Multiply by 10 and figure out what number is going to go here. Well, the number that goes here is how many places you've moved this decimal place. Well, it started off here and we moved it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's a 6 there. So if you multiply this and you get this multiplied by 10 to the 6, the decimal place is going to move back to where it was. So that's the answer. But they want correct to 2 significant figures. So all you need is 2 numbers, 1, 2. So we could just chop it off there and leave that out. The only problem is that number is 5 or greater. So if that number is 5 or greater, this number has to go up by 1. So we get 1.6 by 10 to the 6, which is D. G'day again, question 2. Which of the following is 4x plus 3y minus x minus 5y in its simplest form? Very easy. Join together what's the same. So here you've got 4x and you've got an x. So you can ignore the rest. Just be careful to join those two. Join the sign with the letter. So the sign here is actually a plus. If there's no minus, it's a plus. So plus 4. Take away 1x is 3x. Then you've got y's. Plus 3, take away 5y's. So plus 3, take away 5 is minus 2y, which is A. G'day again, question 3. Gail's gross pay each week is $952.25. The following deductions are taken from her pay, and then it gives you a list of deductions. What is Gail's net pay? Now, net pay is gross pay, take away deductions. Sometimes you might think of it as just gross, take away the tax, but for this course, it's gross, take away everything. Very simple on your calculator. Just 952.25 minus, and you can just keep pressing the minus on your calculator. So minus 180.93 minus 85.70 minus 21.40 minus 38.15 equals. Very simple. And you get answer B. Notice down the bottom, that answer is actually the question. So that answer is obviously wrong. This answer is if you've only taken out the tax. So for this course, you need to take out everything, so that answer is not correct. And this answer, if you happened to have added all of those up, you would have got A, which is all the deductions. So the answer is B. G'day again, question 4. On a school report, a student's record of completing homework is graded using the following codes. CUSRN. What type of data is this? Well, obviously, it's not quantitative. You can't count it. You can't count those things. So those two are obviously wrong. It's definitely categorical. They are categories. Question is, can you put it in order or not? So really ordinal or normal? And yes, you can. Even though there's no sort of list of saying, well, this is 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. You can actually put them in order because this one always comes before this one, which comes before this, and this one always comes last. So in that case, it's definitely A.